Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to show you how to enable breaking news notifications in the ESPN app on your phone. If you want to stay updated with the latest sports news as it happens, this guide will make sure you never miss an important update. First, open the ESPN app on your phone. Next, look toward the top right corner and tap on the settings icon. Next, click on Preferences and Alerts to customize your notifications. After that, scroll down until you find the Breaking News option. Finally, turn on Breaking News notifications so that you will receive alerts whenever important updates happen in the sports world. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that you are always informed about the latest sports events. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more useful guides and tips.